In today's part, we will discuss about the explanation of the page number 13, remaining part of the poem, A Night with a Wolf. So yesterday we saw that the father was telling about his conditions when he was caught in a storm one night, and he found that there was a wolf sitting beside him. Now on page number 13, first I am only reciting the four given stanzas, then I will explain. Little one, be not frightened, and the wolf together, side by side, through the long, long night, hide from the awful weather. His wet fur pressed against me, each of us warmed the others, each of us felt in the stormy dark that beast and the man was brother. And when the falling forest no longer crashed in warning, each of us went from our hiding place forth in the wild wet morning. Darling, kiss me in payment. Hark, how the wind is roaring. Father's house is better place when the stormy rain is pouring. Now here, the father is telling to his son that need not to worry about that I was sitting with a wolf, and he is saying that I and the wolf together, we are sitting together side by side through the long, long night, the whole night, hide from a awful weather, and we were trying to hide ourselves from the awful weather. Means we are not harming each other, we were just sitting and saying that his wet fur pressed against me. And father is saying that his wet fur means the wolf's hairs, wet hairs pressed against me, and they were warming me, and I was also giving warmth to him. Each of us felt in the stormy dark, and we both were caught in the stormy dark, and we both are looking like that the beast and the man were brothers. We are not talking with each other, we are not harming each other, but we are sitting with each other in the stormy night. And when the falling forest means the when the rain stopped, no longer crashed in warning, and there was no warning of the crashing. Each of us went from our hiding place. Then we both, I and the wolf, means the author and the wolf, went out from the hiding place forth in the wild wet morning, and we went from our places and went to our way. In this way, now the author is asking his son that darling, kiss me in payment, that give me a kiss in payment of his story, what he told him. Hark, how the wind is roaring, and father's house is a better place when the stormy rain is pouring. And he said that if there is high rain outside, at that time the father's house is the better place. So in this way, the poem explanation is completed. Now you have to recite once or twice the poem and try to understand line to line, and also try question answer and other activities given in the poem. Thank you.